Hey, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be going over an in-depth tour of the brand new just released Down4Sound JP43 amplifier. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this video. So many people have been asking about the JP43. It's been one of our most popular amplifiers that we brought in. So as you can see, it has a beautiful box. Not too many people care about the box, but how could you not be excited about getting this showing up at your front door? So if we flip it over, you also see the cool design on the back right here. You got a gator, and he's got a jersey on. So Florida Gator color. So on this, we'll go over the features or the power ratings real quick. JP43, 14.4 volt ratings, RMS power at 1 ohm, 4300 plus watts, RMS power at 2 ohm, 2300 watts, RMS power 2 ohm linked, 9000 watts. Dimensions, we have 15.75 on the length, and then 9.37 on the width, and 2.71 on the height. We usually make those up a little bit, so it would be 9.5 and 3 inches right here to give you a little bit more room. Anyway, you also have your Bluetooth bass knob that comes with this amplifier as well, made in South Korea. So only the best for you guys on this amplifier. Spin this bad boy around, pop it open, and do a little unboxing for you. So we already cut it open so we can make the video a little bit faster. So on this one we have the JP43. Beautiful orange on this one. So I don't know, should I undo it this way? Alright, y'all should vote. Should I do the unwrapping of them showing you the back first, or showing you the front first? Which one do you think? We all got both, so let me know which one you like the most. Alright, let's get this plastic out of the way real quick, and we will show you this amplifier. Alright, Down4Sound JP43. Start out on this side. We have your heavy duty Tiffany style RCA connections. Got your status indicator lights here, power protect and clip. On the crossovers we got gain, subsonic, low pass filter, and phase. And then you have your master and slave option here. If you want to strap two of these amplifiers together, obviously you're able to do that. So you would select the mode accordingly. If you're using this amplifier as a master, you would leave this one on master. You'd run a wire or RCA over to your other JP43 and put the other one in slave, and you can control both of them with using one amplifier. On the speaker output terminals here, we got 4 gauge, which is plenty beefy enough, heavy duty for a 4,000 watt amp for sure. Even a 20,000 watt amp would be plenty. We got dual 0 gauge power and grounds, and the price point, $849. Great deal on a beautiful amplifier here. But first, I know you want to see the back of it, right? All right, here's the back side, and what is the hidden message we have on this one? Oh. See it right here? Florida FL. The same treatment here. We got the heavy duty plexiglass window on this, high flow fan, Bluetooth option for the bass knob, nice Down4Sound cap stickers, looking beautiful as ever. Let's get the measurements on this amplifier, and you'll have all the information that you need. Throw this bass knob out there so you'll know. So again, it comes with the Bluetooth bass knob, like all of our big amplifiers currently from the 33 up to the 83. You also get a package right here that has a little adjustment screwdriver and your Allen keys to install the amplifier with. It looks like from mounting tab to mounting tab we're at 17 inches wide. Oh, did they measure here? Yeah, so the actual amplifier up to this point, from that point to that point, is 15.75. But if you're wanting to include the mounting feet, 17 inches. So be sure to take that into account. Alright, let's go ahead and get the height and width for you here. So on the width, on the box, it says, let's see, 9.37, and it's upside down. So that looks about right. We'll call it 9.5 to be safe. And on the height, it says 2.71, but we'll call it 3 inches to be safe as well. But anyway, that's going to conclude this in-depth tour of the Down4Sound JP43. If you have any additional questions for me, you're more than welcome to ask them in the comments section. I'll try to answer them for you. It might be in another video, but if we don't have too many more questions, then there'll be no reason for us to do a whole new video about it. I might just answer your question in the comment section. Anyway, appreciate you guys joining me. We'll see you in the next video. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one.